Hi, boys and girls. So for today, we're going to learn a new song about a mountain. So listen to my song and follow along with the words on the screen. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that rocky mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 remember me. Do, 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 remember me. This time, I want you to keep the beat while I sing the song again and follow the lyrics on the screen. Tap the beat on your lap. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that rocky mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 remember me. Do, 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 remember me. Very good. This time I want you to do the same thing again, tapping the beat on your lap, but also sing the song with me this time. Here we go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that rocky mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 remember me. Do, 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 remember me. This time, let's just look at that very last phrase. Do, do, remember me. Watch my hands as I show you the direction the sounds or pitches are moving as I sing. Do, do, remember me. And think about that direction. This time, I'm going to sing that last phrase again, and I want you to be my mirror. Make your movements match my movements. Ready, go. Do, do, remember me. Oh, that was amazing. Let's try it again and see if we can pick up our tempo a little bit faster this time. Ready, go. Do, remember me. Very good. Watch this time. Let me do it by myself, and I'm going to put it on my body. I'm going to start on my knees as I start the song. Do, do, remember me. And I ended on my knees. I started and ended on my knees. We're going to do it that slowly again, and this time I want you to sing and do it with me. Ready on our knees. Do, do, remember me. Ooh, let's keep that same tempo one more time. Ready, go. Do, do, remember me. Let's do it again a little bit faster. Go. Do, remember me. Even faster. Do, remember me. Light speed. Do, remember me. Did you fall down? Did you get it? Good job. Well, look at my picture here. This time, we're going to point together to the mountains that you see on the screen. So we're going to start at our first mountain. Each mountain is the words that we sing, and we're going to sing it together. Do, do, remember me. Now, let's see if you can do that again this time. Ready, point to the mountains while we sing. Do,